Welcome to KoinKoin crypto exchange and wallet. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to create and secure your account on the KoinKoin platform, make a deposit, and complete a trade. First of all, go to www.koinkoin.io using your desktop computer or mobile phone, or log in through our app available on Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account with your email if you don't have one. Once you are logged in, go to Security page to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. Doing so will greatly increase the security of your funds. Click Verification to get verified by completing the form and submitting your national ID and/or passport along with any proof of address. This process requires a thorough check by our compliance department and may take some time. Now you can begin trading. Go to the Wallets page and make a cash/fiat deposit directly by hitting deposit against the currency of choice. You can also make crypto deposit by sending your fund to the crypto receiving address. They can be withdrawn anytime by hitting the withdraw button on the Wallets page. Once deposit is complete, user will receive funds which will show in account. You are now ready to trade. To make a quick exchange, go to the Quick Trade page and instantly change your funds for BTC, ETH, XHT, XLM or AKN. For a market or limit order, peer-to-peer, go to the Pro Trade page and simply execute your order with other market makers. You can also buy coin instantly by using the Quick Buy function on the Summary page. Earn with us when you send your referral ID to your friends and get a percentage of their fees sent directly to your KoinKoin wallet. Get free XHT platform utility token once you pass verification. XHT is the fuel that powers KoinKoin. The more trades completed by you and your referrals, the more you earn by holding XHT. You are now ready to start using your favorite platform. KoinKoin. Borderless Africa, borderless world.